Hello, this is Sunday, and my name is Justin, and I apologize for all the noise in the background, but our house is crazy with kids. Today I am working on putting together our Whitefish pocket kits, pocket kit number 2. There's a little bit of a difference this year in what we decided to place inside the pocket kit. Instead of putting the smaller quarter ounce and 16th ounce, we decided to run all quarter ounce long. So the two colors that we're going to be putting in the pocket kits this year is the gold, which is the original color from pocket kit number 1. And then we've added the copper head, which is a little bit darker. It's got a little bit darker shade than the gold, which will also imitate a goby, which is why the whitefish hit these things. Just to give you a little bit of a lesson here, the hooks, as far as the hooks go, the hooks are really easy if you want to replace them. They're double limerick hooks. They're facing up because of the structure of the whitefish mouth, which faces down. So when they come to feed, they think it's a goby, they hit it, and then the hooks are perfectly positioned to get up into the roofs of their mouths or the corner of their mouths. So, but anyways, getting back really quick to how do you replace the hook, or maybe you want to modify the hook position. All you do is we got these top holes here that we use to connect the line to, but I just taken this last hole and I stick this limerick hook through, okay, and then I give it just a little bit of a push. If you can see what I'm going to do, I'm just going to push it so that it just gets over the top of that edge. And then, so you can push it all the way through. Sometimes I just take a split ring pliers or anything will work, and then I just push it down. We are still using the paddle tails from PANFISH plastics, which looks like this. And for those of you that are not familiar with the ECHOTAIL and seeing this for the first time because you want a whitefish rig, here's the cool thing about the ECHOTAIL. The ECHOTAIL is a blade bait, but it has an interchangeable tail. This is a cool little paddle tail that PANFISH Plastics has, and you just simply attach it by sticking it onto that barb, and you just push it on, just like that. Okay, and you can try different plastics. That's the cool thing about it. So not only also is it great for whitefish, but if you're up in Green Bay during the spring fishing for walleye, these are great colors for up there as well for walleye. So you can kind of get one bait to be able to target 2 fish up in the same area. So anyways, hopefully we're going to be getting these out. We're running a little bit behind because we had to wait for a few components, but that's okay because we've had very warm weather this winter, and unfortunately the ice isn't safe enough yet. Probably for at least another maybe 2 weeks. It's starting to cool off or get colder, and by then we should have these kits really ready to go. We've had a lot of requests, so you can find them on our website at vibrationstackle.com.